Hi! For this video, we will make a drag and drop content using H5P. Drag and drop content is a free HTML-based drag and drop question type, allowing creatives to create many forms of drag and drop using only a web browser. The drag and drop content type allows learners to drag a piece of text or an image and drop it on one or more corresponding drop zones. Drag and drop is very flexible and engaging when it comes to content, wherein you can use it to match text and images, placing parts in the right positions, or simply grouping items. Let's go to H5P to make our actual drag and drop content. Let's start creating our drag and drop content. First, we click on Examples and Downloads, scroll down a bit, and look for the drag and drop icon, our name. Here it is, then we click on it. And then we will be directed to a page where an existing drag and drop file or content is already used. Since drag and drop content will not allow us to create from scratch, we will have to reuse an existing content. So for this one, we will click on reuse. It's found at the lower left corner of the image of the existing content. We click on that one, and then we will download the file. Okay, once it's already downloaded, we go back to our account. We log into our account, and then we click on Contents. We click on Create New Content, and we click on Upload. We upload a file. We click on Use. We will then be directed to the existing file or the existing content. In here, we will be able to edit the existing content and make it our own. So what we do is we first empty or delete the contents within this existing content. So we remove the title, we remove the image, and then we click on the next task in order to remove also the other contents in there. Once everything is removed, we go back to the first tab or the step 1 page, and then we incorporate our own content. And then let's start placing our contents with the title of our drag and drop. So here it's parts of a flower. And then I click on the add button to add our background image. At this portion here, you could also resize or place the values to resize your image or your background image. Once you're done, you click on Next Step. In here, your background image is displayed, and we have to make our drop zones as well as the designated texts or the answers to where the drop zones should be placed. So we click on Add a Drop Zone. We will just label it with numbers because it's just like a tag or a name to that particular drop zone. And then we drag the drop zone in such a way that the names or the text won't be seen. We add another drop zone. For this activity, I will just make 4 drop zones. Last drop zone. Once done, let's put our text or the answers to our drop zones. The first answer is stigma, and we click on select all and click on done, and then we resize the placeholder of the text, and then we proceed to the next one. Okay, select all and then done, and then again resize the placeholder. We'll do that one until we're done with the 4. And last one, select all and done. This time, we will place the designated text to their corresponding drop zones. So we double click on the drop zone, and then we click on the right answer for that particular drop zone. We click on done. We'll go to the next, and then done. And last, we click on ovary and done. When we're done with that one, we just scroll down, and then at the lower left, we click on the Save button. Once we have clicked on the Save button, we will be directed to the page where we can preview and try what we have created as a drag and drop content. So in here, let's try this one. And then we click on Show Score. So in here, we have some wrong answers. So let's click on Retry. Okay, so we got it all correct. That is how to make our drag and drop content.